In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see analytics on Hostinger. Whether you're running a personal blog or a small business website, understanding your website's analytics is crucial. It provides insight into your site's performance and user engagement, which can help guide your content and design decisions. Let's dive right into it and see how you can easily access your analytics through Hostinger. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Hostinger's main website. This is the starting point for accessing all of Hostinger's features and services. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage, which is filled with useful information about hosting plans and services for those exploring options for their websites. However, our focus today is on accessing your existing account. Next, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. Look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking login will prompt you to enter your credentials, which typically include your email and password. Take a moment to ensure these details are correctly entered, as this step is crucial to accessing your personalized Hostinger dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger control panel, also known as hPanel. This is your home base for managing all aspects of your hosting account. From here, navigate to the Hosting tab, which you'll find prominently displayed. Clicking on Hosting is like opening a toolbox filled with all the essential resources you need to manage your website effectively. Now, within this section, find and click on the Manage button adjacent to the domain name you are interested in. This will take you directly to the management page specific to your website, where you can perform various administrative tasks, from domain configuration to database management. This area is essential for handling everything related to your website's technical aspects. With the management page open, look for the Analytics tab. It should be an option on the menu, clear for you to notice. Clicking on Analytics will open a whole new world of valuable data and insights. Here, you'll be able to see comprehensive reports on various metrics, such as visitor numbers, average session durations, and popular pages. Having this information at your fingertips allows you to make informed decisions on content updates, marketing strategies, and even potential design changes to enhance user experience. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your website analytics through Hostinger. Remember, regularly reviewing your analytics is an essential habit for any website owner. It empowers you with the knowledge to optimize and grow your online presence. Thanks for watching, and see you next time as we explore more tools to enhance your digital journey.